Just pulled up on another ACS job out here in La Jolla. Beautiful property overlooking the ocean there. Some nice turf. You come inside, you'll see a new wall-mounted unit we put out here. That's going to take care of this awesome living room here. So we got a new cooling system to handle this heat load out here. Went away from this old central ducted unit. You can see those vents there. Those are for the central system that used to do a really poor job of heating and cooling. Obviously because of the high ceilings and that southwest exposure, all that glass there. Now we've got this Mitsubishi single zone sitting here, and it's gonna do an awesome job heating and cooling this house out here in La Jolla getting remodeled. What we also did is we put a couple wall mounts in each bedroom and vaulted ceilings once again. Wall mount units in here, eliminating these old vents that used to have a central system. So now you got this ductless head that's gonna do this bedroom. Walk down here, got another bedroom, the wall mount sitting up there for this room. We've got another unit in this bedroom, and then another zone in this bedroom here. But if you're looking at wanting to do the ductless mini split systems, give ACS a call. We'll provide you with a free estimate for installation, and you've got a 12-year warranty from the manufacturer on compressor, parts, labor, and we're your premier Mitsubishi Diamond dealer.